just chipping away here with a stone chisel at random, really, just going after the loose pieces. But you do sometimes by accident discover things just stuck in the wall. And I noticed this. Let me drop the chisel from it. I noticed there's something here. It's worth keeping one's eye out. Something. Oh, there's something there loose. There we go. It's going. As long as it's not something live. Okay. It's a bit of metal. It's a bit of metal. Not quite sure what that's off of. But this plastic. I don't know what that is. Oh. Oh my god. Just what I need right now, actually, to be honest with you. I've never seen one before like them before. It's a stir. It must be a stir for a pint. Great stuff.